Good morning, all. Hope you are able to hear me.
Good morning, Naveen.
Able to hear me, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Thanks for the confirmation. Let me record the session. Pause record. Okay. Any questions before we start whatever we discussed in yesterday's session regarding the basic transactions and all? Anyone have a questions before we proceed to the next? Yes, no?
No.
All right. Okay, fine. Great. Okay. So we will start. Actually, we have already started the configuration part, but still, because in this server, we don't have the basic configuration, whatever we did in the last before session. So once again, people are again try to recollect it, right? Whatever configurations we have done. Okay. So in earlier, till now, till now, till now, we have done whatever payments, whatever receipts we have made, that is we have done with cash, correct? And what is the RBI rule? What is the RBI rule on cash transactions for companies and this one? What is the rule?
More than 10,000, we have to do it.
Yeah, 10,000 less than or equals to 10,000, we can do the cash transactions. If it is exceed greater than 10,000, again, I'm reiterating, less than or equals to 10,000, okay, the companies can do or businesses can do as per the act, the RBI rule, they can do in cash. Okay, but if it is a greater than 10,000, they are not supposed to do any transactions with the cash. They are supposed to do with the bank transactions only. Clear? So that is the first thumb rule. We cannot do any cash transactions like cash receipts or cash payments. So here, okay, earlier before this NDA government, it was 20,000. Now they made it as an 10,000. Okay, so just put it as a banking module. Okay, so what is the so here we need to do the first, we need to create. Already we have done, but still I am doing for you. Bank accounting. First, we need to create house bank. If it is there in your notes, it's not to write, just write. What is house bank? What do you mean by house bank?
Is the
House bank means
Sorry.
It's the main bank of the country.
Main bank. Correct. Where we have some people have. Can you please mute it? Resound is coming. Don't try to log in with two systems or one system. You can mute it if you are before you're talking. Okay. So house bank is nothing but whatever you said. It's a main bank where we have an account. Okay. Okay. In by which bank we have accounts is known as a house bank. We need to create it as an house bank. For example, same example I'll take. Same example. Okay, for example, if I'm having three different banks, okay, one is in ICICI, one is in HDFC, one is in IDBI. So if I am doing some sort of payments in one bank, some sort of payments in other bank, then each bank I need to create separately as an house bank. If I'm having, if we are having separate bank accounts, right, then each bank we need to create. So it doesn't mean that I am having a three bank accounts. I'm dealing three bank accounts with my business, but I am doing one bank as a house bank and other banks I'm not creating it as a house bank. Then your bank accounting will not going to configure. Remember the first thumb rule. My business is having a 3 different accounts or 4 different accounts or 2 different accounts. So each bank we need to create separately one house bank account. Is that clear? Any questions? I'm having 3 different current accounts, for example. One is in ICICI, one is in HDFC, one is in whatever SBI, for example. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to create one house bank account in SBI. I need to create one house bank account of HDFC, one house bank account of ICICI. Clear? So if without creating house bank, okay, we can't do any sort of transactions from that particular bank in SAP. Any questions here?
No.
Yeah. Okay, in the bank, for example, if I'm having a ICICI bank, okay, in that particular bank, I may have current account, savings account, OD account, different accounts I can have. Okay, normally companies will have what kind of account? Businesses will have what kind of account? Current account. And normally personal accounts will be, what is the account? It will be normally savings account. Okay, if it is not related to business, then they will have a savings account. Okay, overdraft account, cash payment account, receipt account. Okay, now you can just see the structure. We need to define what is the, how to define the first. Okay, what is the first step we need to do in the configuration? In the sense, anyone remember what is the first step we need to define?
GL creation.
Sorry,
Yeah,
GL
need to
creation.
create ledgers.
no, I'm not asking GL creation. What is the first step we need to do in a bank account? How we need to configure GL accounts? That is different. That is a step. So first one, we need to create bank key. Don't forget this. That is end user activity. As a configuration, what you are doing? Bank key, IFSC code. A bank is nothing but IFSC. IFSC code is a mandatory one. Without IFSC code, if you want to transfer any amount, okay, it will not be by IFSC code to check whether you are sending to the correct bank account or not, which branch it is, what is the bank name. So if you give IFSC code completely, then automatically it will pull all the details of that particular bank, location and everything. Clear? Okay. So just write it down. First, we need to define bank key. Bank key. Next one. Then we need to create first bank key, then next house bank, house bank, house bank. Next one, account ID, account ID. This account ID, what is the account ID? What we will do with account ID? We have already covered this, whether you remember or not. This account IDs should be connected to, linked to, integrated. Means these account, with this account IDs, we are going to integrate your bank accounting module with GL accounting. Right? How we are going to integrate? Integration is nothing but these, whatever account IDs we are going to create, that account IDs we are going to link. Okay, we are going to assign to GL account or GL accounts. Clear? With this, we are going to integrate. We are going to integrate. Clear, everyone? Any questions on this?
No.
Okay. So here, as I said, that the same configuration I am taking. Okay. Whatever I said, I'm going to take two banks. Two banks. One is, last time we have created HDFC. Next one, IDBI. So let me check. Okay, just I'm taking. So I'll take HDFC, IFSC code, IFSC code. Or what I'll do, I'll take it as an Amirpet. Last time we took Amirpet, I believe. So the same thing. If you mentioned in your notes, just then I'll take it as an Amirpet. Amirpet IFSC code. Okay, the same thing. Okay, so IFSC, I'll copy this. So here, what I'll do, so here, what is our company? What is our company?
HDFC.
Ultra.
Ultra, right? What I'll do is, I'll remove 10 to identify our company, because we normally for every batch we follow in the same procedure. So what I'll make, I'll prefix, I'm removing 10 IFSC and I'll prefix U. So with that you can make it as an Ultra HDFC. U stands for Ultra. So in the naming convention, next one I'll check with IDBI, one more bank. IDBI. I'll take same last time I took, I think SR Nagar. SR Nagar IFSC code. So here it is. Okay, I'll take this. Okay, so this is my SR Nagar. So what I'll do, I'll remove 10 and I'll make it as an U, prefix U. Clear? Next one, house bank. I'll write it as an it's an HDFC, right? HDF 00, HDF 00, HDFC Amirpet. Amirpet. Sorry. HDFC Amirpet. Next one. Okay, IDB 00, IDBI SR. Okay, so we need to create current accounts. So account IDs. This is very important step. Most of the people will have a lot of confusion in creation of account IDs and linking with the GL account. Okay, so here we have number of account IDs. So what I'll do, I'll create HDFC, HDFCA. CA stands for current account. Current account. So here I'll write it as a HDFC Amirpet. HDFC Amirpet CA. HDFC Amirpet CA. Next one. Next one, IDB. So what was the account we have opened? Okay, ID BCC. Sorry. Okay, I'll nothing but CC stands for. Here CA stands for current account. And what is the CC?
Credit something.
Cash credit. Overdraft
Cash
account.
credit.
Okay, so IDBI IDBI SR number. SR number. Okay. Every bank, whenever we create a RBL bank, then we have a different account. 4 accounts is important. Okay. Okay. 4 accounts are very important. We need to create. For example, so I'll create a GL account. 2,40,000 we have created as a cash account. So what I'll do, 2 lakhs, these are the GL accounts. 2,41,000, 2,41,000 HDFC. Sorry. Please don't forget this particular step. HDFC. Okay. Amirpet. Current account. See a current account. So this is our main account. This is our main account. Main account. So 4 accounts in SAP configuration we need to do. Whatever may be your bank. So 4 accounts we need to maintain. One is I'm maintaining house bank, whatever we are calling HDFC, current account, main account, right? Next one, 2,41,001. Okay, HDFC, Amirpet. I'll copy this. Same CA, right? I'll copy next. CA, outgoing account means all the payments we are going to do from outgoing account. Next one, 2,41,002. CA, incoming account. Incoming account. Fine. Next one, 2,41,003. CA, bank transfer, BT. Bank transfer accounts. Just write it down. Two lakhs 41,000 is a GL account for main house bank. 2,41,001 outgoing account means all the payments will be done from this particular account. And next one, GL account, it's not a bank account. Fine.
Sorry, 241 is a GL account.
This is GL account, not a bank account.
Okay.
Any questions you have?
Okay. No, just I'm checking with GL accounts or bank accounts.
Any questions? So whatever may be the bank, you need to maintain these 4 different accounts. This is a real-time configuration. Normally over here, they will create one account and all the pay in training environment, people will create only one account and they will do payments, receipts, bank transfer from one account. But in real time, it will not be like that. They will be have customer client requirement would be one account for it. Any account, they will have a 4 different GL accounts. Clear? Any questions here? So we need to configure here. What is the main bank here? HDFC main bank. What is the GL we need to configure here?
241 000.
241 000.
000.
24.
So for each bank account, we should have the 4 GL accounts.
Correct.
Okay.
But in normally training environment, they will create only one GL account. Is that clear? So that's the reason you said what is the first
Yes,
step in the
yes.
sense. First, we need to have a knowledge on this. So first we need to create a bank key, house bank, account IDs, and after that we will create a GL account. But here first we will first do the GL account. The next we can link it to directly. But as per explanation, what you need to do, first we need to find out the bank keys, IFSC codes, house banks, account IDs, GL accounts, and at that after creation of GL accounts, these account IDs are supposed to be linked to integrate to GL accounts. And here it is 241010. Write it up.
I mean, I have a doubt.
Please go ahead.
Yeah,
Can I say one thing, Sridhar?
yeah.
Right. Normally, again, because I have learned from my senior projects, senior managers, and all. So, whenever is it your doubt or a question?
Doubt only.
What is the difference between a doubt and question? Don't take me wrong, I'm not deviating, but before that, what is the difference?
If doubt means something we know, but some
No, what is the difference
difference.
between doubt and a question?
Question is if the person is don't have anything knowledge on that
See,
question, that is
yeah, see,
answer.
again, I'll tell you.
Doubt is a doubt is we know something, but we just wanted to clarify. Okay.
I am doubting on him.
So-
What does it mean?
Suspicion.
Correct?
Suspect.
Suspect. See, when this is whatever Sridhar is asking now, that's a question because something he didn't understood. Okay, and he is raising it. So means according to my knowledge, what my senior said, my manager said, right? What I learned from them is whenever we have any queries, never ever use the term called doubt. That is absolutely a negative word. Right? Always say either I have a one query or one question. If I say I have a doubt, then it means that we have a negativity on that particular. We are doubting. We have a what we call whatever question you are going to ask on that you have some negative impact. So I'll follow. I never ask the people. Earlier I used to say any doubts, any doubts, any doubts. But after that, whatever my seniors told me that never ever use the term called doubt because it's absolutely a negative word. Doubting is nothing but a suspect. Clear? Probably if you said doubt here, then probably you have a doubt suspect on my subject. Is that clear? Don't take me wrong.
Yeah. It's okay.
But still in your
Yes.
office real time also, if you apply that I am having a doubt, then people may take it easy because normally generally we will use the same term. But in case if some people are specific, if you use the same thing in you with the European, we have a different clients, right? European client, Australian clients, and if you use this the same term doubting it with the Australian and Canadian clients, definitely they will come in a different way. They'll come out in a different way.
You are correct.
Okay.
How they will react? How they will react?
Absolutely, how you are doubting in the same way from your end, doubt is a normal, but from them there is a negative thing. They never ever reply back. If you say
Okay.
I have a doubt on this in the sense, they won't reply it for that. If you say I have a question or a query, then definitely they will come back. But if
Yes,
you
that means we are questioning their abilities.
sorry,
That means we are doubting their abilities.
exactly. So in real time also don't use it. Again, my advice, that's it.
Okay, okay, thanks.
Any other questions? Yeah, please go ahead, Sridhar. Sorry, I'm sorry to interrupt you.
We are creating main bank account for each bank account. So, but in the company, we use only one main account, right?
Sorry?
In real time, we can create main banks for every bank account, right?
No, we are going to create one bank account, but the GLs are different. Account would be the same, one account only, HDFC account. But we will create different GL, the same HDFC bank account, clear? We will create one GL account for payments, one GL account for receipts, one GL account for what we call bank transfers. At the end, all together will be consolidated main account, this GL account.
Yes, for every bank account, we are creating main bank account, but we use only one main bank account, right? Because here HDFC main bank account, and IDFC main bank account.
Correct.
But we use only one thing, right? One main bank account.
See, that's what I'm saying. I'm telling you, this is nothing but it's not an account number, whatever I'm using here. So here we will have only one account, bank account number. One bank account number for all these four. Understood?
Yes,
Here only one bank account number for IDB. But under this bank account number, we will create the GLs like this.
Yeah, I got it.
Understood? These are not bank account numbers. These are the GL account numbers. Why GL numbers? We are, in the sense, we are not supposed to get a confusion at the time. If we are making all the receipts, all the payments, all the BTs, nothing but bank transfers with one GL account, in the sense, at the time of reporting, segregation would be a problem. I would like to check only the outgoing payments. If I club all together in one account, then it would be a little challenge for me to make out what are my total outgoing payments. If I want to report only incoming receipts, I want to check only receipts part. If I club all together 3 GL accounts, then I'll have a challenge. What are incomings of my account and what I have paid? Okay, I can make it out plus minus, but I need to again analysis that. If I have a separate GL account for my incoming or outgoing, then I'll give that GL account and I can generate a report so that I can get a separate report for outgoing, separate report for incoming, separate report for bank transfers, so that at the end I can consolidate at main account.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah. Any other questions? Yeah. Any other questions before we proceed?
No, no questions from me.
Right. Remember these steps first. So here, bank key, house bank, account IDs, right? And each account ID will we are going to account IDs. We are going to integrate with GL accounts, right? And each account in real time, each account will have a 4 different GL accounts in SAP. What are 10 banks you have? Then total 40 GL accounts you will have. Mandatory, that is. Again, I'm reiterating, mandatory. But somewhere you have learned in this particular SAP, probably over there, they will create one GL account and they will do all the postings from that GL account only. But what would be the challenge? In real time also, we can do it. In real time, client will ask you, I have one bank account, why you are creating these many GL accounts?
Yeah, the
100%,
segregation will be
whatever
tough.
query you got right now, right? So the client may raise that, but you should be in a position that if you create one GL account for one particular bank account, right, and you are doing all the payments, all the receipts, all the transfer from that particular account, so generating a report and analysis would be a challenge. So that is the reason SAP always advise. So if you create any bank account, then you need to try to create different GL accounts, 4 different GL accounts. So that at the time of analysis, at the time of reading the report would be easy for end user, any user. Is that clear? Yes, no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Naveen.
Yeah. So we have SR Nagar, we have done right. Okay. So just write it down this. See, wherever it's important, put on a paper, clarity sake. But again, because already we discussed this in our last sessions. So, but again, I'm reiterating, if you want to explain someone, put on a clarity why this accounts and all. Please write. Any questions still here?
No, Naveen.
Have we completed this?
Yes, yes, we completed.
Give me a second. Sorry. Okay, so write down the steps what we have created. Write down bank accounting steps, configuration steps, configuration steps, create required GL accounts. Okay, so write down GL master creation, bank GL master creation. And already we know transaction code is FS00. FS00. Okay, so I'll create it. Already we have created, but in this server we don't have, I don't have that. So what I'll do, FS00, FS00. Okay, next one, what is my company code? UT01 only. So click on create button. What is my GL account? First one.
2,41,000.
2 lakhs. 1 second. Ouch. So first of all, I'll create company code. 2,41,000, correct? 2,41,000. 2,41,000. So account to group, cash and bank. We have created cash and bank. So that is nothing but cash and bank. And it's a balance sheet item. It's a balance sheet item. Next one, we need to create it as an HDFC. HDFC. Ameerpet. Ameerpet. Current account. Main. Right on this. Cash and bank account 2,41,000. So whatever GL accounts we have created, that we have done it. So it's not mandatory. First, you need to create a GL account first. It's not mandatory because FS00 we know. So that's the reason here I'm doing. However, whatever way we can do it because it's not for end user. So we can do the configuration. First, we can create this particular step. Okay, house bank creation, maintain house banks, or we can create first GL account. Anything you can do it. It's not mandatory that you need to follow the same flow. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Next one. Click on control data. Click on control data. Click on control data. Click on control data. Click on line item display. Select line item display. Can we do we select only balance in local currency? Do we need to select balance in local currency?
No.
Why?
Because of reporting, we won't select.
I didn't get you. Can you please?
Because of reporting purpose, we won't do it.
See, why? Because not only reporting purpose, because we may receive, we will do different transactions. Correct? We will do different transactions with different currencies. We will do different transactions with the different currencies, right? So at that particular point of time, we may receive not only local currency, we may get different currencies also. So that's the reason we want to select only balance in local currency for cash and bank accounts. Whether you remember it or not, at the time of cash ledger creation, I have explained that we are not supposed to select only balance in local currency for cash and bank transactions, bank accounts, sorry, cash and bank accounts. Because why? The reason is, first thumb rule, we are not supposed to select only balance in local currency for cash and bank accounts. That is the first thumb rule. And same time, somebody will ask why we won't select it, why we are not supposed to select it. Next question is, next answer is, because whatever transactions we are doing, we may receive in different currencies. In the bank also we may receive in different currencies. In the cash also we may receive in different currencies. So that is the reason we want to select for these two accounts, right? Only balance in local currency, and majority all accounts we will select local bank and only balances in local currency. Just write it down the same as a note or whatever you want.
Done, Naveen.
Okay, line item display and sort key. What is a sort key here?
021.
What is 021?
Sorry, cash.
It's not 021, it's a
027.
31. 31.
27.
027.
What is 027?
Cash and bank.
027? No, it is
Value
a
date.
value date.
Well,
Why? Account group we have already selected. This is important. If you select 21, it's a segment text, right? It's a value date. All the cash and bank transactions, we will, what we have already discussed, right? What do you mean by a value date? What is a value date? What is a value date?
effective on the day. Effective on the day, the bank. Effective on the date, the amount will transfer to bank account.
What exactly? If somebody is asking you, bank, why bank? In cash account also we have selected value date, right?
No, on the value date
I'm
means
asking
on the
simple
day.
questions. Listen. Let me finish. Simple question, straightforward question. For cash account also, we have selected value date as a sort key. And bank account also, we are supposed to select value date as a sort key. Why?
So,
Even by value date in the sense, again, I'm reiterating.
but
Yes, please.
yeah, that is for the value date is as I mentioned, effective date. Effective date, the funds will get transferred.
So I'm a layman, funds will get transferred in the sense of layman. If you want to,
The supplier will receive the payment on that value date.
okay, how about cash transactions?
Everything, all the transactions, all the
Again, I'm
transactions.
reiterating value date in the sense, if you want to define a what do you mean by a value date, for all cash transactions, the encashment date is nothing but your value date. Encashment date is nothing but your value date. And for all the bank transactions, the realization date is nothing but the date on which the bank transactions are got realized. That date we call it as a value date. And for all cash transactions, the date which will be encashed, that date will be considered as a value date. What you said is correct. I'm not denying it. It's correct. But if somebody is asking you, what is the difference between a cash transaction and a bank transaction? So simply you need to say, instead of asking before, you need to, what do you mean by, what is the importance of a value date? What do you mean by a value date? Value date is nothing but for all the cash transactions, the encashment date means you sold the goods and you received the cash 2 days. That is nothing but on 6th of August. Then the value date for that particular cash transaction would be value date will be 6th of August. And for all the bank transactions, okay, the encashment date, when whatever check you receive, whatever bank transfer you have received, clear, the date which the amount is credited to the account, that date is considered as an value date. So don't use the example called supplier. From customer we also receive, right? Any questions here?
Yeah, for all the bank transactions, the encashment
Date is considered as
the
a value
date
date. The date on which
encashment
yeah,
date, which on this day amount will get credited.
Credited or debited. From our account it will be debited if you are paying to supplier, and that will be credited to supplier account. Same time if customer is paying us, so customer account it will be debited, and for account it will be credited. Okay.
Okay.
Next, line item display. Do we select open item management? Do we select open item management?
No.
Why?
It's not outstanding.
All outstanding and prepaid
Outstanding.
balance sheet account.
Yes, prepaid. Yes.
Yeah, just write it down. Next one, click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. So here we have already created our field status variants, field status groups. So we have started with, what is the thing we need to select here? What is the thing we need?
03.
See, when it is showing your
03.
practice, it's a U005. For all cash and bank accounts, you will select U is nothing but your ultra, or you can say select G. We have created already a separate set of field status groups in, okay. So in real time, we will create our own field status groups. But in general, in other practices, what they will do is they will follow the standard one. So that is nothing but G005 for all the bank accounts and cash accounts. Clear? So already we have created our own set of field status groups. So I have not changed the number. I have changed only prefix the G. Instead of G, I have used my company code naming convention. That is nothing but U. So you can select here U005. And what is the other thing we need to do it in this particular screen? What is the other option we need to select?
Post automatically
So
only.
we will select post automatically. What do you mean by post automatically? Without recording
we won't
entry, it
set-
need to be post, right? But here we need to
yeah.
So do we need
Yeah,
to select?
not.
Then what?
No. So
Relevant to cash flow.
house
Exactly.
bank,
Where is the house bank? No, here
house
it is
bank account.
relevant to. Have we created house bank?
No,
Then how can you select this? Have we created any house banks as of now?
no.
No, then after creation of house bank, we need to come back, account ID and house bank we need to give.
Link.
Now, yeah, but now we are just creating a GL account only, right? So for all cash
Yes,
and
yes.
bank accounts, we need to select relevant to cash flows. That is important. Okay, click on save button. Don't forget this. So ignore this warning message, click on OK. So it will show data saved. It will show data saved. Okay, next one. Copy 2,41,000. Sorry. So again, copy 2,41,000. I think already we have created this bank accounts, I believe. This is now we have created, right? Sorry. 2,41,000. So just copy this 2,41,000. Copy this 2,41,000 and copy as, or I'll create it. GL account 2 lakhs. Create GL account 2,41,001. I would like to do it once again. So for UTI. So what is the account group we need to select here? Cash and bank. Correct? Yes or no? Cash and bank.
Yes.
Balance
Yes,
sheet. Balance sheet. Okay. Next one. Short text. Short text. So what is the account we need to create? Second account? Outgoing account. So what I'll do it as an OG. Okay, next click on control data. Next click on control data. Now tell me what are the things we need to select. Do we need to select only balance in local currency?
No.
No.
Line item display?
Yes.
Yes.
It's hotkey
027.
027 and click on create bank interest. Click on create bank interest. What is the field status group? U005. Next, click on relevant to cash flow. Is this clear? Any questions?
No.
Okay. So here, click on save button. Click on save button. So we have created one more account. One second, here it is. Okay, so one more account we will create. So we have created 2,41,000, same thing. Actually, I want to show something which I'm not able to find in this particular version. One second. I want to show one thing here. Give me a second time. It's not working. Actually. Okay, so once again, we will create one more account. Able to hear me, right?
Yes, Amit, yes.
So we'll create one more account. Okay, so here again, create. So we are working on ECC, right? Sorry. So here one more account we need to create. 2,41,000 002 2,41,002. Okay, company code UT01. Create. Next one. Same account group. Cash and bank. Balance sheet. What is the account here? Incoming. In. Just write it down.
Done.
Okay. Next one, go to control data. Go to control data. Go to control data. Now click on line item display. So repeat the same what we have done. So create bank interest tab, relevant to cash flow. U005. Just write it up as it is. Click on save. Click on save. Okay. Next again, create one more account. 2,41,3. Oh, 2,41,3. Type of description, cash and bank, balance sheet item. What is the account? BT, bank transfer. Bank transfer. Bank transfer. Control data. Do we select only balance in local currency? Line item display. Sort key. Create bank interest. Relevant to cash flow. U005. Just write it up. Kindly check once if at all any questions, please let me know before going proceed to the next. Kindly check it out.
Done. I mean,
No, I'm asking to check. I have few questions on this. That's what I'm asking few questions.
Sir,
I'm
did you
having few
open
questions.
open line item?
Sorry.
Did you open a open line item in controlling
Bit
data?
louder, please. I'm not able to hear you. I'm sorry.
Sir, open line item. Did you check it?
Open line item, do we select for bank accounts? Do we
But we
select?
select for outgoing income.
Outgoing also we have not selected, right? You can see here. This is outgoing, right? This is my outgoing account, 2,41,000. See here, open item. This is my outgoing. You can select here open item. See, again, I'm reiterating, open item management will be selected only for balance sheet account. Out of that, not all the balance sheet accounts. Again, I'm reiterating, open item management, we will select only for balance sheet accounts. Correct? But even though this bank account is also related to balance sheet only, but still, what kind of accounts in balance sheet? Only which are payable accounts or receivable accounts. Nothing but outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, accrued incomes, unaccrued incomes. For those accounts only, we will select open item management. Rest all accounts, we want to select any open item management. Clear? Hello?
Okay. Okay.
That's the reason I'm asking. Kindly check it out.
no questions, ma'am.
Okay. That's sure, right? Because I have a question. That's the reason I'm reiterating any number of times. If you are understood perfectly, then definitely you need to raise.
Bank account assignment.
Sorry,
Bank account assigning to GL account.
that we will do because we have not yet done the bank accounts, right? We have not done the bank accounts yet. That's not my question. I won't ask question right now, but I am expecting one question from your end. If you understand this step. So if no, then okay, it's fine, no problem. Let me check one thing. See here, one more thing. I would like to say you one thing. See here, I see the normally if I want to see the list of ledgers on the left hand side, okay, how to activate that in the sense, go to settings, okay, hierarchy display. If you select hierarchy display, okay, then the GL accounts will be look. So here we will have two options. Do not display navigation tree, display accounts in navigation tree. Okay, so here we have selected display accounts in navigation tree. If you select this, then it will display. If you uncheck this, if you select this, then this list will not be shown here. Say okay. It need to be restarted. So again, I need see what it is saying. Settings, hierarchy display. If I say display, it will show one warning message. The new settings will take effect once the transaction is restarted. Okay, once again, I'm changing it. We have created 4GL accounts, a hierarchy, right? Do not display. I don't want to display this particular tree. So click on OK. And I am closing this FS00. I'm closing this FS00. Okay, I'll log off. FS00. You can see now. Understood? If you want to see again,
Understood.
system, settings, hierarchy. Okay, this is not my question. I just want to explain you the list part. That's the reason. Okay, so we'll continue. So now we will create few
So
more
you
set
mean
of.
the question in you mean the question will be in the FS00? You're saying?
In this particular transactions only, I was asking. I have a query. You need to think it. Next week also, you are open to ask that particular question. Once you research, you will get that. Because if I ask, then the thinking would be end from my end only. Your thinking camps will not be opened. That's what I want to say.
Trading partner, I think. Trading partner.
Why not settings? Again, I'm telling you, not settings. Okay. So any questions? So now I'll create one more. Click on create button. Click on create button. Already created it. Sorry. Here we need to grip. What is the series we have selected? IDBI 2,41,010, correct? 2,41,010. I'll create this set of accounts. This is a set of accounts. This set of accounts. Click on create button. Click on create button. And one more thing, when you go to navigation list, if you select a navigation list, then you won't find this particular option with the template. You won't find that option. Okay, you can't copy the GL accounts, right? If you go to the navigation, if you want to go with the navigation, then you will find this with the template. You will have only this one: display, edit, and create. If you go to with the navigation tree, is that clear? Okay, so I'll create.
So we
Here.
need to go we need to directly type FS00.
I didn't get you. See here, what
We
I
need to
want to say
directly
is,
type.
sorry, settings. If you go to hierarchy display, yeah, you need to create FS. See, do not display navigation tree in the sense. Now, is it displaying navigation tree?
No, no.
No. If you are in do not display navigation tree, okay, then this particular option will be available with the template.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so that I can copy the GL accounts. See, I'll show you that. If display accounts in navigation tree, if you select this option, okay, then the list will appear here. The list will appear here, but this particular option will not be displayed.
Okay.
Yeah. And next one, I'll create account 2,41,10. So cash and bank, balance sheet item, short key, short text, IDBI, SR Nagar, CC, cash credit, main. So you can copy this. Same options. So I can write it as in main. Okay, just write it down. 2,41,010. Okay, go to control data, no balance in local currency, line item display. Do we select open item management, Sunil?
No.
No. You got the clarity, right?
Yes, yes.
For which accounts we need to create a low open item management. So
Yes,
next
yes.
one, we need to select sort key 027. The remaining all the steps what we have done were the other set. Create bank interest, field status group U005 relevant to cash flow. Okay, click on save button. So this is done. Now what I'll do is I'll copy this. Now we can copy instead of creating, we can copy. Instead of creating all the steps, we can copy this and I'll create the GL account name as an 11 with the template, company code UT01, Okay, now go to type description. So here we will change this to outgoing. Everything is the same, no changes in that. We have selected balance sheet, we have selected control data already. Everything will be, all the attributes will be copied to this particular GL account. Click on save button. Just click on OK button. Now one more, we need to select 12. I would like to create 12. Next, click on with template. Click on with template. So I want to go with the same GL account. Click on OK. So what is the thing I need to change here? What I need to change here?
Text.
Only text. Incoming. That's it. Click on save. So we have created 3 set of accounts, correct? Now I'll go with 13 bank transfer. Okay. So again with the template. So same account. So here I'll change to BT. So I'll give it as a bank transfer or bank transfers. Write it down. Click on save button. So you can select here how many banks we have created. We can see the list. So four sets, right? So here we have created HDFC main, HDFC outgoing, HDFC incoming, HDFC bank transfer. Same time, IDBI main account, IDBI outgoing account, IDBI incoming account, IDBI bank transfers account. Clear, everyone? Any questions? So any bank in SAP standard, we need to create 4 accounts. One is main account, outgoing account, incoming account, and transfers. Whatever may be the bank. If you are having 10 banks, then how many GLs you need to prepare?
40.
40 GL accounts. Have a clarity on. If you know this clarity, then the configuration will not be a challenge.
Okay.
Next one. So we have created this set. Okay, next one. Write down. Next step, write down house bank creation. Define house bank or maintain house bank. Define house bank, maintain house bank, or creation of house bank. Anything you can write according to your understanding. Write down the path. SPRO, 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 SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, bank accounting, bank accounts, bank accounts, define house banks, transaction code F112, sorry, FI12, I'm very sorry, FI12. Okay, so I'll repeat once again, write it down. So I'll go with this SPRO slash n SPRO SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, financial accounting new. Next one, bank accounting, bank accounting, bank accounting. Next, bank accounts, bank accounts, bank accounts. Define house banks, define house banks, house banks. Right now, FI12. So click on. So give your company code, first field name, work area automatically it will take. Write down, give your company code UT01. Give company code UT01. Press enter. Press new entries. Press new entries. Okay. Press new entries. This is another important step. So we have already created, we have already written here. See, what is my house bank? HDF00, IDB00. So here we need to give the code HDF00. Okay, 5-digit character. Okay, so here bank country, IN, bank key, that is nothing but your IFSC code. That is nothing but your IFSC code, bank key. Bank key. Okay. Next one, telephone number. If you want to give anything, then you can give. I'll give some number. Okay. I'm giving any name, that's it. Just write it down. This is very important, IFSC code. house bank ID, bank key, if possible, contact details, telephone number, contact person. Just write it down. Press enter. Next, click on create. Click on create. Now give bank name, HDFC, Ameerpet, branch, region, IN. Sorry, it's not country, right? What is the region? Ameerpet region.
Telangana.
What is the number?
6.
031. 031.
031.
36, sorry.
36.
36.
37 is AP. 36 is this one. 13. What is 13?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Correct. I'm giving any address. Main road. Main road, Ameerpet, Hyderabad. Ameerpet branch. Just right. And here bank number. That's it. Press enter. Change. Okay, just write it down as it is. So click on OK. Next, click on Save button. And it will ask for transport request. So we are in Ultra. So give it. Next. Once it's done, the next double click on bank accounts. Double click on bank accounts. After save it, double click on bank accounts. Double click on bank accounts. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. What is my account ID? So go with this. I have given HDFCA. HDFCA. Next one. HDFC. Ameerpet, right? HDFC. Ameerpet. HDFC. Ameerpet only, right? Ameerpet. I'll write it as a current account. Sorry. Current account. Current account. So I'm creating bank account number. Here we are giving bank account number. So I'm giving it as an 1818 739 Any number I'm giving, okay. 1789. So I'll copy the same. Alternative account number also I'm giving the same. Okay. Currency. INR. Just write it down. And GL account. Okay. What is the account number? 2,41, correct? 2,41,000. You
So
read
now
that.
first we have created one. First we have given the house bank everything. Now creating the bank account.
Account number we are giving, right? House bank,
No,
we have
first.
created, we have mentioned house bank, we have mentioned IFSC code in house bank, correct?
Hmm. Okay, just we are giving the bank account now.
Correct. And other details are automatically captured. You can see here.
Okay.
Bank is
Oh,
nothing but
okay.
your
Okay.
IFSC code.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Sorry, one more account I missed out to create discount account and which need to be assigned at here. So what I'll do, I'll keep this as it is and I'll go with fs00 slash o fs00 fs00. I'll just check. Discount account need to be created. So I think we have not created any discount account. Discount received account we have created, that too in this one. Discount allowed account. We have
Discount
not,
allowed also we have created.
sorry,
Discount allowed also earlier we created.
not we have not created. Earlier in the sense this, that was in other server. But have we created here? No, right? So we need to create here.
So discount account we need to create for both the banks bank accounts
What do you mean by
for all
both?
GL account.
I didn't get it. Please, can you please
So
come with your clarity, question clarity?
discount account we need to create for both the banks
What is the
HDFC and
need?
IDA.
I'll ask one question. What is the need we need to assign discount in bank creation? What is the need of why we
So
will do a discount?
if we are getting any rebates like payment of early payment.
But still, you can put in your transactions, right? You can post in the journal entry, right?
Yes, to track the separate
Already we have
reporting purpose.
a discount account separately, so we can post it, right? Why we will give discount account here? What is the need?
No, under this GL account, how much discount
Are
we
we going
got
to define now how
to?
much account we are going to give? How much amount we are going to give?
No, we are not giving the any amount. So we can pull the report under this GL account. How much discount under this GL account? Under this discount account, how much we got the discount amount?
Why you have if you create a GL account separately here in FS00 and you are posting an entry called bank account debit, discount account debit to XYZ account, then in that also you will come to know, right? Why you need to give this account here? I can understand this GL account is nothing but we are going to link to current account, first bank account. But why we need to give discount account separately? You have a clarity on discount, right? Discount allowed and discount received.
Yes.
Why we need to give here? However, we have separate discount ledger we can create and we can post, right?
Yes.
Can anyone come out with this? Why we need to assign a discount GL account here? Just think about it because we have done enough accounting. As I said yesterday only, we have closed our accounting thing.
Yeah, it's not required to create the any.
Sorry?
Yeah, it's not required. Discount allowed.
No, we need to give. That's a
I
mandatory.
mean, I'm saying it's not linked to house banks. That discount
That
account.
has to be linked.
Okay.
That has to be linked. It's a mandatory.
Mhm.
Discount account is to be linked with the bank account. Think it. So we have not created discount account. So what I'll do is I'll create a discount account. Okay, it's already there. So we have created. Last time also I have explained last BRS when we have created all the accounts. Why we need to take a discount account. 44 lakhs 40. 40 discount allowed account already we have created here. Okay, we need to assign this account to here. Why we are assigning, that's I want a clarity. Have we created one more account, financial expenses account?
Which account, Navin?
Financial expenses account. 4 lakhs 40,000 or something. We have,
No,
not,
financial expenses.
have we created here? It is not there. We have not created.
Financial expenses we have not created.
We have not created, right?
But bank charges are there.
Bank charges also we have not created.
Bank charges are already reflecting.
Okay, fine. I'll create financial expenses account. So 4 lakhs 40,000. We don't have account with 4 lakhs 40,000. I'll create it. Okay, account to group. I'll write it as in financial expenses. Okay, is it a balance sheet item or profit and loss?
Profit and loss account.
Profit and
Profit.
loss. So you finance. So departments also not there. We have not created departments here. So okay, I'll take it later. This departments part. That is the issue. Once the server got crashed. So okay, we will take this financial expenses later. We will see in next session. Okay, so we have created 2 lakhs 41,000 and 44,000. 4 lakhs 40,000.
So no, why? Yeah.
I won't give. You have to give me the clarity because we discussed yesterday.
So
that in 3-column cash book, we have a cash column, discount column, and a bank column.
for a contra entry, I think.
This is not related to. Don't pull like. Just think before ask. Just think it. I'll give you the time. Okay. Take time. Okay. Next one. One second. One more time. I'll check one more account. It was taken. I need to check. One second. One second. All the accounts are got activated. All the GLs need to be created. One second. what I'll do is I'll create one financial account, bank discount account. Okay, instead of discount allowed account, what I'll do is one second, I'll create here instead of normal discount, I'll create one account called create. What is that account I would like to give? 440040 already created. I'll make instead of normal discount account, I'll give bank discount account. If or else we will have a confusion. So I'll take it as in financial expenses. Okay, functional area. Functional area. What is the functional area we have? U, right? Or
UFIN,
UFIN, right?
UFIN.
Let's check here. UFIN. No, it's not UFIN. Urimi it is saying. That's what people have changed everything. Ours is ultra, right? Ultra purchases, production ultra production, ultra storage department, ultra quality, ultra production, ultra purchase, ultra. So somebody has changed it. What do you mean? People will change like their requirement. I'll change this again. This is the only issue with the this one server, training server. People will change. I told them clearly, don't change it. Okay, bank discount account, bank discount account. Okay, click on control data, only balance in local currency. As I said that it's not related to cash or bank account. So that's the reason we are selecting this particular. Next one, line item display. Next one, 001. 001. Right now. So we have discount allowed, bank discount we are creating now. I'll tell you, just check why we are creating bank discount account. What is the need of bank discount? Just think it, why we are assigning bank discount account to your bank account. Okay, next create bank interest tab. Let's create bank interest tab. Okay. U004. It's a cost accounts. Ultra cost accounts. Next, click on save button. Click on save button. So the same account we need to create. We need to create this account, not this one, not discount allowed account. This account we need to assign. Main account, GL account, and bank discount account. Write it down. And the next week, first initial question I'll ask why we have assigned. Again, I'm reiterating, I'm heads up. Why we are creating, why we are assigning the bank discount account to main bank account. What is the difference between a discount allowed account and bank discount account and discount received account? Three questions. We know the discount allowed account and discount received account, but what is this bank discount? If bank, we are giving discount to bank, then it should be discount allowed. If bank is giving discount, why bank will give you the discount? Either bank will give you the overdraft or something, but why banker will give you a discount? So just think about it. Okay, just write it down as it is. Understood my questions?
Understood, Naveen.
So the account was not there. That's the reason we have created this. Now click on save button. Click on save button and it will create a workbench request. Okay. Yes. So just write it as in. So do we have any client? So what I'll do, create request. Okay, I'll create it as a short description. FICO, client independent. So it's a client independent request. Client independent.
I mean, bank discount is different, discount allowed is different, right?
Sorry.
Bank discount is different, discount allowed is different, right?
Yes, that is different. That's what I'm asking. Why bank will give the discount?
Maybe in order to recover the loan amount from the
But then
customer.
it will come as a discount received, right? It should be
Yes.
discount received from the business and discount allowed to the banker. Lahari group. It's Lahari or what? Ultra. Ultra
Alta.
group configuration settings. So click on save button. That's it. So it's a client independent CI. Next, this is setting is done. Next, double click on house bank. Double click on house bank. Next, click on next entry. Okay, IDB. Next, I'll create IDB. IDB 00. IDB 00. The same thing. Country IN. Country IN. What is my bank key? IDBI. Bank key. Same thing. Telephone number. If you want to give here, but in real time we will give 040. Any name I'm taking. Next. What is the next step we need to do? What we have to do?
Hit enter and create.
It's not required to enter. Just click on create. Okay, click on create. Okay, so next you can give here IDBI, IDBI, SR Nagar branch, SR Nagar branch, region 36, region 36 street, something I'll give, K Gupta, BK Gura, city Hyderabad. Just write it down. I'll just is this clear? Tell here any questions.
No, Naveen.
So click on OK button. Now click on bank accounts. Double click on bank accounts. Press new entries. Press new entries. So here account ID. What is the account ID we have? IDB 00. Account ID did I have not mentioned? It's a credit cash account. Credit cash credit. Cash credit. IDB CC description. IDBI. SR Nagar. IDBI SR Nagar. Cash credit. Cash credit. Bank account number. Anything we can give. 7564 I'm giving. So GL account. Currency INR. Now you know GL account. What is the GL account we have created for this? What is the GL account? Go to your notes. So here you can see
24010.
10. That account we need to give. And same thing, bank discount account. What is the GL we have created for bank discount? 44080. Just write it down. Just write it down.
Done, Naveen.
Okay. Click on save button. Click on save button. Transport report. Click on yes. Click on. So already we are in Ultra. So select the same transport request. Say okay. Next one. Next step. These house banks we need to link it to GL accounts. Right up. Right up. Next step. Assign house banks and account IDs in GL masters. Understood? So we have created GL accounts. We have created house banks, right? Now these house banks, we need to link it to GL accounts. So this is called integration of bank module to GL module. So go to FS00. We are already in FS00. Okay, go back. So I'm giving FS00. So first account. What is my first account? 2,41,000. So 2,41,000. Press enter. Okay. Go to edit. Go to edit. Go to edit. Click on change button or edit button. Next, click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. So here we will have house bank option and account ID option. So here we need to select house bank. So HDF 00. and account ID. So here we need to select HDFC CA. HDFCA. So write down this. So we need to link house bank and account ID. You said we need to create at the time of GL account. Without house bank creation, we can't give this. Write down this. Okay, click on save. So we have already created one. Now go to the other one. What is the other account we have? One, right? 2,41,000 one. So it's, is it? So for every bank, we need to do it. For all the 8 sets, we need all the 8, we need to do it. HDFC 00, account ID. Clear, everyone? So whatever set we have created for each and every set, we need to give it. So click on save. Next, what is the other account? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I mean, yes.
So same thing we need to give for all the 4 sets. So click on save. Next one, BT bank transfer. So next one, 3. Done. So we have done for all the 4 accounts of HDFC. Now what we need to do? What is the other?
For IDBI, we need to do.
We need to do for IDBI. So what is the account of IDBI? 1010. I'll copy from here. Right. Press enter. Press enter. House bank. So search from house bank. IDB 00. Account ID. Search for account ID. IDB 00. IDB CC. Click on save. Click on OK. Next one. 11. So all the 4 accounts. All the 4 GL accounts we need to create it. Same thing. House bank. IDB 00. IDB CC. Okay. So click on save button. So click on OK. Next to 12. So 12. Press enter. Next one, click on save. So we need to clear it for 11, 12, and 30. Last one. 13. So repeat the same activity for IDBI 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, 13. So select house bank. Yeah, write it down. Okay. Any questions still here?
No, Naveen.
Fine. What we will do is we will stop here itself for today and we'll continue next week at 10 o'clock. Kindly inform others also. Check lots. Last week again we have completed that part also, check lot part. Okay. So next one we will start with the process. Clear, everyone?
Yes, Naveen.
Any other questions before we wind up?
So
Naveen,
after manual check process, we have the APP, right?
Yeah, that steps will be there. Before going to
APP.
APP, try to understand those conceptual part. Try to understand. We can do APP, but concept is missing here from your end. If concept is missing, then the problem, if I complete also, it's vain. Because already we have discussed about discount allowed, discount received, and bank transfers. Bank discount.
Yeah, discount.
Okay, it's okay, fine, but still, as I said that I won't repeat that financial accounting part. Okay, thank you very much. See you in tomorrow's session. Sorry, next week's session.
Okay,
And
okay,
kindly
thank you.
inform others also. We have a session at 10 o'clock next week onwards. Then 5 minutes here
Okay.
and there. But next week onwards,
Okay.
we will stretch little. Half an hour here before and half an hour after the class. This one after 12:30. So that we can compensate. Is that fine?
Okay, Naveen. Yeah. Yes,
Yes,
fine.
fine.